total gas spent, that is a dollar figure, it's 9,500,000. Actual price on DEX tools, it's 0.00043,250. And the calculated price is 0.000037.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo, crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video about XEN. You're in the right place. So XEN, latest updates. It looks like the testnet on Gorilla, whatever you want to call it, is out, where we talked about this, the virtual wallets. So basically it mints this NFT and then you can have multiple wallets. So if you want to spend $500 on XEN and make 500 wallets, you can do it. And then you'll have this NFT. You'll be able to collect the XEN at the end of the period. So this is going to be interesting, because what this does is this puts the power of bots in everyone's hand. So again, this is bringing forward people to spend more gas and accelerate the mining difficulty on XEN. So ultimately, I think this is good for the project, because this equalizes the playing field between the bots and the normal person. You know, it's a pretty big pain in the butt to sit there and try to manage all these wallets on this thing. So this is definitely very cool that, you know, you can decide how much money you want to spend for future economic gain. So that is one thing. Now, on a side note, there was some new updates in some of Jack's latest AMAs, and that is the proof of burn NFT. Okay, so this is definitely very interesting. The proof of burn NFT would be, you can basically burn your XEN and stuff it in an NFT. And you're like, well, why would I want to do that? Well, the interesting thing about this is this will create what is called parallel lines of liquidity. So if all the liquidity is on the DEX, okay, you're trapping the value in a second location, a second market, and making it tradable. Okay, now the one thing you have to keep in mind is the XEN, number one, it hasn't been announced if you'll be able to unpack that NFT. Actually, I don't think you will, based on what he said, the way he made it sound, that XEN is being taken out of circulation when it goes. So think of it as like minting bonds with your XEN. Now, this is cool and all, but keep in mind the liquidity, if you go to sell that NFT, may be less than the open market per se, like on DEX tools. Okay, so that's definitely something you need to keep in mind if you decide to stuff some of your XEN in one of these proof of burn NFTs. So you have your Virtual Minting Unit NFTs, the possible proof of burn NFTs, and then also another cool feature would be the ability to stake that NFT, that with the proof of burn NFT, and earn more XEN. And that would come out as another NFT, a secondary NFT. So this will be interesting. Like I said, it accomplishes a couple things. Number one, it creates this parallel marketplace, a second place of stored value. And then also it burns XEN, further reducing the supply. So with all of this, like I said, the XEN supply that's floating around, it's going to get harder and harder to accumulate large amounts of XEN, period. Now, something else today I was looking at, and let's see. So we have the current price of XEN at 4361. We talked about that in the Moon video yesterday. And then we have the total gas which has been spent on XEN, which is about 9 milli. Okay, so using that calculation, okay, remember XEN is trapping Ethereum gas as value and storing it. Okay, so we have total Zen 200. This is Zen in circulation, 256 billion. Is that right? 250, yeah, 256 billion. Total gas spent, that is a dollar figure. It's 9,500,000. Actual price on DEX tools is 0.00043,250. And the calculated price is 0.000037. Now, why is this important? So this is the actual market price, and this is the actual stored value of the Ethereum that has spent. So I took the total gas and divided it by total Zen. Now that doesn't include future Zen that's going to come to mint. Okay, so when some of those longer mints go, you know, it could change this ratio greatly. But you can see right now on the market, Zen is trading at a higher rate than what is calculated by dividing the total coin count by the gas spent. So that's a good ratio to keep in mind. And actually, it'd be nice if someone on Dune Analytics made a chart showing actual price, like on one line, and then the estimated price of total by total ETH spent. Would be a very cool metric on one of the Dune dashboards. So anyways, keeping today's video short and sweet. Like I said, the Zen NFTs are getting built very quickly, and we're going to see where this goes. With that being said, like, subscribe, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking games, then we're not talking.